Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Jason.
And I'm Ursula.
And guess what? Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Jason.
And Ursula.
And guess what?
We're making fizz balls.
Yeah, we've got a fizz ball kit thanks to Fun with Soap. So it's your turn to have fun with soap with Fun with Soap and do-it-yourself fizz ball kit. And we're going to show you how it's done. So obviously the all-important instructions.
Little bags to put the balls in once they're done.
Cool.
Polysorbate 80.
Polysorbate 80. Polysorbate 80. Say that 10 times.
We've got some citric acid. Oh, how beautiful are these little things packaged. Some bicarb, salt. I love this little bag. It's so cute. Full of stuff. Color blue dye. Some cornstarch. They've made this super easy. 2 sizes of molds and a pink dye.
Cool, so all we need now are the tools to make it. Okay, so welcome back. We've got our tools, which are spoons, mixing bowl for dry ingredients, and mixing bowl for wet ingredients.
Cups to measure out the cornstarch and stuff.
And a whisk, because the instructions say to sift, but we're gonna whisk. Just same thing, same. So according to the recipe, we got to combine the dry ingredients together first, then separately combine the wet ingredients together. We then take the dry ingredients into a bowl and slowly add the wet ingredients, little bit by bit, little bit. And it's got some tips here, which says don't add all the wet ingredients at once. Otherwise it's going to start fizzing prematurely. We don't want it to fizz prematurely. No one likes to fizz prematurely. So first, bicarb of soda. Then the citric acid. Then some cornstarch. And the same amount of Epsom salts. So it says fizz ball kits. But I mean, for all intents and purposes, they are bath bombs. Filled with delicious essential oils and fragrances to help you relax at night.
A bath bomb is a fizz ball.
Well, a bath bomb's a fizz ball. Fizz ball's a bath bomb. Because why? Because it fizzes.
It's another.
Okay, so now we're going to whisk the ingredients together. It's the same thing as sifting. So we're just going to whisk it. So this is what the mixed dry ingredients looks like. Now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be adding some color to it. And we've got this beautiful blue bath salt dye that we're going to be using.
I'm going to open it in here so that if it does come out.
Let's throw some in. So here you just eyeball it. There's no precise measurement.
Time for the
wet ingredients.
we need
Coconut oil, some water, polysorbate 80. And then next you have an option to include fragrance oils or essential oils because we have our fully natural company, shopkorea.co.za. We're going to be going with all natural rose essential oil. Now, to mix, please make sure you wash your hands first. It might be preferable to wear a dust mask during this process.
So once you've done it, taste a little bit. Squeeze it into a ball.
If it doesn't crack, you're good to go. Ta-da! And there is your bath bomb, your fizz ball. Oh yeah! Now, we're gonna wait for this little guy to dry. And when they dry, put them in these little things and they make perfect gifts. Hey, you're so clever, Fun with Soap. Bada boom.
Very cool. You're so proud of yourself.
So I don't know about you, but I really enjoyed getting my hands a bit dirty there, getting the beautiful smells of the rose essential oils, and really just feel like you're creating something that you can use not only for yourself, but also for your kids as well. But we're going to clean up here, and we're going to let these rest for a day, these little guys here. And yeah, we'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye. Look at this mess.
This is always the case with bath bombs. So it's been a day.
It's been one day.
And this is what we have.
Now we thought what a better place to really celebrate this by coming to the birthplace of the bath bomb, which is a little county in the UK called Dorset. So we're here at the beach. I'm going to go have a swim. It's a little bit chilly, but you know. So these are the bath bombs. Thanks a lot to Fun with Soap for allowing us to make these for you guys. And they really are a lot of fun to make, so easy to make. And we're going to be using them, I think, well, not in the sea, but maybe later tonight. We get a bit cozy, if I'm lucky. We'll see.
How cute.
Okay, so go get your DIY Fizzball kit from Fun with Soap right now.
Really fun making them.
Exactly. Go and click on links and all the rest of it to go buy them now. Have fun. Bye.
Bye.